Alright everyone, what's up? So we just got to the first house. It's about like 7:15. We started at 6:30. Hold up. You can see we started right there. Look at that. So we're in a blizzard warning. Expected 12 to 18 inches. Right now we probably got like maybe 4 inches. Not too bad. Snow started probably roughly 6-7 hours ago. Oh shit, sorry, I didn't mean that, but yeah, so these are the conditions we're working with. So keep you along with the ride. And hey everyone, so the snow is very thick right now, very heavy. Even the snowblowers have enough stuff. Too tough to get by, but we have the second house, upsetting again. We got a little bit more snow over here. It looks like about calf height, maybe like 8 inches about. We're in Newton, Mass right now. I'll catch you in the Boston Park. Alright, bye. Alright, we're back. We're in Brookline right now. So, here's what we got. This Alliance driveway goes down that way and loops around. I'll get some more clips for you after, but right now we gotta shovel all this out. All right everyone, it's nice and clean. That still got that little section over here. I think you just finished. Let's go check it out. Look at this baby. Look at this beast right here. Look at the snow. It's very thick. Heavy, wet snow. Look at that. It's all clean. So, I don't know if I said it earlier, but it's a blizzard we are having right now. We're getting almost about 2 feet of snow. Maybe a little less, but the camera does not do justice, but right now the wind is howling right now. It's blowing so much. I'm fully covered. Look at me. So that's what we're working with. All right. All right, everyone. So we just shoveled all this by hand, about a foot of snow right now. Went all the way down there. As you can see, conditions have gotten worse. But yeah. Alright everyone, what's up? So we gotta do this walkway all by hand. We got bad news. The snowblower broke, but that's alright. We'll get it done. We got probably about a foot, depending on where you are. The wind drifts are very high, so snow is blowing everywhere, but we'll keep you in touch. I'll keep you in touch. But yeah, so that's what I got so far. Look at that. Just look, it's crazy. Guys, as I said, we got a broken snow blower, so we'll be doing all these houses. We got one right here. We got one back there, and then another one over there. Whatever. But we got 3 houses here. We're gonna bang them out. Gonna do the sidewalks, walkways. We just finished this one, looking nice. But yeah, all right, update. So we're almost done. Got a few more to go. And I'll probably go out again. I don't know. But yeah. So these are the conditions. I don't know. So yeah. Check this around. That's what we're looking at right now. All right, everyone, we're back. We're at this house right here. So, gonna do obviously the driveway. The snow is coming down the same. Winds are not too bad when you're just standing there, but when you're driving, the wind gusts are crazy. Look at that. Fucking so clean. But yeah, so we're gonna get this cleaned up. And then we're gonna go to the next one. We'll be done, but we'll probably have to do a second pass later in the day. So I'll keep you updated, but it is 12 o'clock right now. And we got about a foot, depending on where you are, the wind drifts. But yeah, all right, please. There we go. It is all done. Beautiful, look at that. Beautiful job, amazing. Here we go. So yeah, again, we've been out here for about 4 hours. So we're almost done. 4 hours, about maybe 30 houses, 35, I don't know. But anyways, that's pretty good. 5 guys, 4 guys, including myself. Driveways, walkways, and sidewalks. It's pretty good. All right. All right, y'all. We're at the last house. We're gonna get this shit done, and then we're gonna go back home. So yeah, that's an update. Go right here. Go do back here. Get in the driveway right now. But yeah, so last house we're at. It's 2:30 right now. So we've been out for about 6 hours, 6.5 hours, almost 7. Might have to go back out, but we will see, because it is still currently, if you cannot see, it's still snowing. All right. All right, guys, we're back. Took a quick lunch break. So yeah, because we didn't have anything, but we're back for round 2. Again, just finished up here. As you can see, beautiful walkway. So, nice clean. But yeah, so round 2 of snow. I measured 3 inches, and then on the driveway, but it definitely can change because of the wind drifts. I found like 6 inches on the walkways. But yeah, so that's where we're at right now. We're going back to all the houses. So estimate time probably be done by like, I don't know, it'll be quicker this time, but I want to say 3 hours or so. But we are going back to all of them. If you tell, I'm soaking wet right now. But yeah, so I will catch you when we're at the next house, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, second round right here.
Hey, are you in the sidewalk?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Driveway's done, but look at these piles. They're massive. I'll walk you around. All right. Like, this is crazy. This is at least 3 feet. Look at these piles. Look. I'm like 5'10", and this is me next to one of them. It's crazy. But that. All right, we're gonna. So look at that. About knee height. Ready? All right, we're up to my kneecap, just about. Just thigh. Thigh. Yeah, thigh. So look at that. Can barely walk. But nice. Yeah, look at these piles. Got the sidewalk done. The snow has calmed down, but it's still very wind picked up again. But yeah, so I want to say the blizzard's still going on. There's very light snow now. It's about, let's pick up. Alright, so it is 4:46. You can see right there. All right, guys, it's 5:40 p.m. We're on our second pass. We got about like three inches from when we started in the morning. So yeah, so we're doing a bunch of the houses that are right near each other, so it's way easier. We're not doing them all, but it is 5:40. So still, we got to do the walkways over here. We got two more behind me. But we also got to do the walkways, sidewalks. Sidewalks are a killer because we got no snowblower again. We weren't able to fix it, but it's all right. Hopefully we can get it back for tomorrow because Snow Event 5 will be coming out.